Yeah, it's much easier just to move it out of the way, and it's such a quick thing. So just a 13mm lower nut. You move this off. This sits in the bottom. You take that off, either 8 or flat. Pop this off with a screwdriver, and this thing just sits in these grommets, so you just pop it off. This is the only thing that's kind of stuck in the bottom. So make sure you pull this off. This sits when it sits like that. And that piece goes right in there. So take that off. Pull the whole thing off out of the way, and then you got very clear access to the hose and the thermostat. So we're going to take that clamp off, we'll get the screws off, replace the thermostat. We'll put a catch fan underneath. Be right back. So there's a 10. The bottom one first. Much easier while sitting on something. I'll move that clamp out of the way. Screw off the last little bit. Okay. Take the grommets off. Now our hose is off, so your hose, when I'm doing this, but you just go back and forth. Come on. And then in reverse, you're just going to put it back on. This has a bleeder on it, so we're going to fill this up. Take the radiator cap off, open this up, and then fill it up until air releases out of here. But that's your thermostat. Good luck.